Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream glue at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need a tube of silicone caulk, some cornstarch, and a mixing bowl with a spoon. It's also a good idea to have some acrylic paint if you want to add color. Always ensure you're working in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes from the caulk. Now, let's start mixing. Squeeze a generous amount of silicone caulk into your bowl, perhaps around 100 grams. Begin adding cornstarch, about 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time, mixing it in thoroughly. If you're adding color, now is the time to mix in a few drops of acrylic paint. Keep stirring until the mixture starts to thicken and become less sticky. Achieving the perfect consistency is key. If your mixture is too sticky, add a little more cornstarch, 1/4 of a teaspoon at a time, until it's pliable. Once it's mostly combined, you can knead it by hand for a few minutes to get a smooth, uniform texture, similar to soft dough. Test a small amount to ensure it holds its shape when piped. To keep your cream glue fresh, store it in an airtight container, like a small jar or a sealed plastic bag. It should remain usable for up to 2 weeks. When you're ready to use it, simply transfer it to a piping bag with your desired nozzle for precise application on phone cases or other craft projects. Remember, for more great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.